Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a resume on Indeed in 2026. Yeah, if you don't already have a resume, Indeed lets you build one step by step and start applying for jobs right away. First, open Indeed on your phone or browser and log into your account. You'll need an account before you can create a resume. Next, click on your profile icon and select the resume section or build resume option. Now tap on create resume. Indeed will guide you step by step through each section of your resume. First, enter your name, contact details, and location. Make sure everything is accurate because employers will use this to contact you. Next, add your work experience. So, include your job titles, company names, and the time periods you worked there. Now add your education details and list your key skills. Yeah, this helps employers quickly understand your qualifications. After filling everything out, review your resume carefully and save it. You can always edit it later if needed. Once your resume is ready, you can use it to apply for jobs instantly on Indeed with just one click. And that's how to create a resume on Indeed in 2026. Hopefully this guide helps you get started quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.